Greeting ghouls and divas and welcome back to my channel. This time I have a small update for you, a couple of DVDs. I think 1 or 2 4Ks and 1 TV series, so let's just start it in. The first film I got is Voodoo Academy. It's a complete blind buy. I have no idea, it was a couple of bucks, so yeah. And the next one is some kind of full one. It looks terrible, but I'm really eager to check it out. It's Dead and Rotting. Like I said, complete blind buy. The next one, something awesome. I took the posters out of the Suspiria Special Edition 4K. The packaging is a little bit damaged. I got it from Amazon, and it was heavily damaged. I don't really care because the 4K is okay, the Blu-ray is okay, and everything inside is okay. Maybe I will buy it with a slipcase thing one day, but for now, yeah. And maybe I will insert a photo here or something, but I hung up the posters on my wall because they look awesome. And one more DVD, and that's an awesome early 2000 film called Black Sheep. I really dig this one. If you haven't seen Black Sheep, I highly recommend it. It's really fun. I think Australia or New Zealand, somewhere there. And the next one I got is Horror of Spider Island, the Severin one. I didn't get this at the Severin sale. I got it at the comic book store in the Capitol. It's okay, nothing fantastic. It's just a silly German 60s horror film, so yeah. And the last one is the first and second series of Avatar: The Last Airbender, The Legend of Aang. So let's check it out. This is second season and first season. I was really happy to find this at the thrift store. I've only seen like a handful of episodes of these, so I'm really eager to check it out. So yeah guys, thank you guys and girls for watching and subscribing. See you guys soon. Bye.